हेलो, नमस्ते एवरीवन। दोस्तों, आज हम दिल्ली डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट का एक ओरिजिनल जजमेंट करेंगे जो आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए काफ़ी फ़ायदेमंद साबित होगा। दोस्तों, इस ओरिजिनल जजमेंट को करने का मुख्य उद्देश्य यही है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कोर्ट के अंतर्गत कैसी डिक्टेशन को डिक्टेट किया जाता है, किस प्रकार के वर्ड्स डिक्टेट होते हैं। तो दोस्तों, जो आपके लिए काफ़ी फ़ायदेमंद साबित होगा। तो इसे शुरू करते हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की गति से। तो दोस्तों, बी रेडी। 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. These cases raise grave issues, but however grave the issues may be, the answer must depend on the interpretation of the words in Article 368 read in accordance with the principles of interpretation which are applied to the interpretation of a constitution given by the people to themselves. I must interpret Article 368 in the setting of our Constitution, in the background of our history, and in the light of our aspirations and hopes and other relevant circumstances. No other constitution in the world is like ours. No other constitution combines under its wings such diverse people, numbering now more than 550 millions, with different languages and religions and in different stages of economic development, into one nation, and no other nation is faced with such vast socio-economic problems. I need hardly observe that I am not interpreting an ordinary statute but a constitution which, apart from setting up a machinery for government, has a noble and grand vision. The vision was put in words in the preamble and carried out in part by conferring fundamental rights on the people. The vision was directed to be further carried out by the application of directive principles. The Constitution First Amendment Act 1951, which inserted inter alia articles 31A and 31B in the Constitution, was the subject matter of decision in Sankri Prasad case AIR 1951 SC 458. The main arguments relevant to the present case which were advanced in support of the petition before this court were summarized by Patanjali Shastri J, as he then was as follows. First, the power of amending the Constitution provided for under Article 368 was conferred not on Parliament but on the two houses of Parliament as a designated body, and therefore the provisional Parliament was not competent to exercise that power under Article 379. Fourthly, in any case, Article 368 is a complete code in itself and does not provide for any amendment being made in the bill after it has been introduced in the House. The bill in the present case having been admittedly amended in several particulars during its passage through the House, the Amendment Act cannot be said to have been passed in conformity with the procedure prescribed in Article 368. Fifthly, the Amendment Act, insofar as it purports to take away or abridge the rights conferred by Part 3 of the Constitution, falls within the prohibition of Article 13(2). As stated in the had not this court held, the provisional parliament is competent to exercise the power of amending the constitution under Article 368. The fact that the said article refers to the two houses of the parliament and the president separately and not to the parliament does not lead to the inference that the body which is invested with the power to amend is not the parliament but a different body consisting of the two houses. The words all the powers conferred by the provisions of this constitution on parliament in Article 379 are not confined to such powers as could be exercised by the provisional parliament consisting of a single chamber but are wide enough to include the power to amend the constitution conferred by Article 368. The court further held the view that Article 368 is a complete code in itself in respect of the procedure provided by it and does not contemplate any amendment of a bill for amendment of the constitution after it has been introduced, and that if the bill is amended during its passage through the House, the Amendment Act cannot be said to have been passed in conformity with the procedure prescribed by Article 368 and would be invalid is erroneous. Full stop. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. दोस्तों अगर आपको ऐसे ओरिजिनल जजमेंट अच्छे लगते हैं तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको हमारा नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले। तो मिलते हैं दोस्तों नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू वेरी मच।